The Z7 Mark III is rumored to blend ultra-high resolution with cutting-edge autofocus and advanced video capabilities. It's being touted as the spiritual successor to the powerful Nikon Z7 II, but with numerous enhancements that aim to compete. Head-to-head with mirrorless heavyweights like Sony's A7RV and Canon's R5 sensor brilliance. Potential 61 p BSI CMO. Sat at the heart of the Nikon Z7 Mark III could lie a next-generation 61-megapixel backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor. Though there's been chatter about an even higher 67 p sensor, the 61 p option, possibly sourced from Sony, seems more realistic and production-ready. This massive resolution would cater brilliantly to landscape photographers, commercial studio professionals, and anyone needing to make ultra-large prints. Combined with Nikon's renowned color science, expect breathtaking image quality, detailed textures, and sublime tonal range. Dynamic range and low-light capabilities should also see a boost, giving photographers more flexibility when capturing scenes with both bright highlights and deep shadows. This sensor alone could make the Z7 Mark III a staple in high-end photography kits. Autofocus, AI-powered precision. One of the most exciting aspects of the Z7 Mark III lies in its autofocus system. Nikon is expected to deploy a 493-point phase detection system supercharged with AI-enhanced tracking algorithms. The camera would intelligently recognize and lock onto subjects with high precision, whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or even fast-paced street scenes. Nikon's recent strides in AI-based subject tracking are remarkable, and this camera could further close the performance gap between Nikon and industry leaders like Sony. Expect real-time subject tracking, improved eye detection, both human and animal, and predictive autofocus that adapts as scenes unfold. These features will make the camera ideal for professionals working in high-pressure, unpredictable environments. Stabilization. Upgraded. 8-stop IBIS handheld shooters. Rejoice. The Nikon Z7 Mark III is rumored to come equipped with an advanced in-body image stabilization IBIS system offering up to 8 stops of shake compensation, a significant leap from the 5 stops in the Z7 II. This will be a game-changer for low-light shooting, handheld video, and long telephoto work. Imagine capturing tack-sharp images at slow shutter speeds without the need for a tripod. Moreover, there are whispers that Nikon might implement focus point VR, stabilizing around the selected focus point, an innovative feature that debuted in the Nikon ZFR. If it makes its way to the Z7 Mark III, this could further refine macro photography and long lens stabilization. Dual XPEED 7 processors. To keep up with the high-resolution demands, the Z7 Mark III is expected to feature dual XPEED 7 processors. These powerful processors are likely to enhance overall responsiveness, reduce processing lag, and allow for ultra-fast image writing. From clearing buffers quickly to enabling high-speed bursts and efficient noise reduction, these processors would underpin a much smoother user experience. High-speed processing is also crucial for next-gen video, and the dual processor setup is tailor-made for hybrid creators who shoot both photos and high-resolution videos. Blazing burst speeds, 20 FPS, the Nikon Z7. Mark III is likely to support a burst rate of up to 20 frames per second, which is incredibly fast for a high-resolution sensor. This will empower photographers to capture critical moments in sports, wildlife, and fast-paced events without missing a beat. It's a feature that brings the Z7 Mark III closer to the performance of action-focused models like the Nikon Z8 and Canon EOS R3. Video excellence, 8K 30, 6K full frame, 4K 121 area, where the Z7 Mark III might leapfrog competitors is video. Reports suggest the camera will support 8K recording at 30p with a crop, 6K full frame readout, and 4K recording at 120p. This trifecta of options makes it an incredibly versatile tool for videographers, from high-resolution cinematic projects to silky smooth slow-motion footage. The inclusion of 12-bit NRAW internal recording could also make post-production editing a breeze, offering more control in color grading and compositing. Nikon is expected to carry over the robust thermal performance of the Z8 and Z9 to this model, mitigating any concerns about overheating during extended video sessions. Ergonomically, Nikon tends to get it right. Anticipate a comfortable grip, intuitive button layout, and a redesigned 4-axis tilting touchscreen that provides flexibility in odd-angle shooting scenarios. The high-resolution EVF, potentially offering 5.67 million dots and up to 4,000 nits of brightness, will ensure you get a crystal-clear view in all lighting conditions, price expectations, and market strategy. The anticipated price tag for the A. Nikon Z7 Mark III ranges between $3,500 and $3,800 USD. This would put it slightly above the Z7 II, but still below the Z8's launch price. For the feature set on offer, ultra-high resolution, advanced video, AI autofocus, and top-tier build quality, this pricing could hit a sweet spot for both high-end enthusiasts and professional creatives. Positioned correctly, the Z7 Mark III could become the go-to hybrid mirrorless camera in Nikon's lineup, especially for those who want top-tier performance without venturing into flagship territory. Nikon ZFR, retro meets modern? While the Z7 Mark III grabs headlines, there's another intriguing camera rumored to be in development, the Nikon ZFR. If you love the aesthetics of the Nikon ZF, a camera that married classic design with modern performance, then the ZFR could pique your interest. It's expected to follow in the retro-styled footsteps of the ZF, but might introduce a full-frame sensor with enhanced specs aimed at enthusiasts who want style without compromising on functionality. The ZFR may retain tactile dials, leather-textured finishes, and a nostalgic shutter sound while sneaking in features like in-body stabilization, updated autofocus, and modern wireless connectivity. It could serve as a stylish alternative to the more industrial Z7 Mark III, potentially appealing to vloggers, street photographers, and content creators who value aesthetics just as much as performance. The consistent trend here is hybrid capability. Cameras that shoot exceptional stills and equally compelling video. Nikon's attention to video has been growing steadily, and with each new release, we see more features aimed directly at filmmakers, vloggers, and hybrid content creators. It's not just a camera. It's a powerful hybrid imaging tool built for the future. Whether you're a studio photographer, a documentary filmmaker, or a landscape artist chasing golden hour light, the Z7 Mark III promises to elevate your creative capabilities to new heights. Stay tuned to Technology in the Future for more leaks, news, and deep dives into the world of cutting-edge tech and photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on what's next in the world of imaging.